Good morning, dear students. Let's start integration. Students, first of all, we'll discuss about the important remark, that is, if degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, then we will apply dividing rule. Students, you can see here, if degree of numerator is greater and equal to degree of denominator, then we will apply the dividing rule. You have studied already in class 10 that fx is equals to gx into qx plus rx, and after using dividing rule we will write the integral in this form. This is qx plus rx divided by gx, where qx is the quotient, rx is the remainder and gx is the divisor. So students, in this way we use these result important remark. Here we have question. Let's start with question. Integration of x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by under root x with respect to x. Students, हमें इसका इंटीग्रेशन करना है. In the integration we haven't the quotient rule as we have done in the derivatives, the product rule and the quotient rule, but in this we haven't the product rule and the quotient rule. So students, but remember one thing, we have to separate each and every terms. So for the same, we divide x cube over root x, 3x over root x, 4 over root x. So in this way we get the x raised to power 5 over 2, x raised to power 1 over 2, x raised to power minus 1 over 2. Students, you can see here that 3, this is 3 power in the numerator and root x. When we divide x cube by root x, then root x goes in the numerator and the power comes minus 1 over 2. Base same powers solve करेंगे हम, then we get 3 minus 1 over 2, we get 5 over 2. Similarly students, here we have the next terms. So integration of x raised to power 5 by 2 is adding 1 in the power and write down power in the denominator. So students, in this way we get x raised to power 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2. Similarly, here we have x raised to power 1 by 2. So add 1 in the power, we get 3 by 2, and in the denominator we get 3 by 2. Similarly, x raised to minus 1 by 2, add 1, we get x raised to power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Now on calculating this one, we get the required result. Here c is the constant of integration. Now students, here we have second question is x cube minus x squared plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Students, you can say here degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. So in this case we will use the dividing rule. So for that we divide these two expressions as we have done in class 10th. First write down x cube minus x squared plus x minus 1 and x minus 1 in the outside, and to make the first term same we will multiply with x squared. So students, with that rule we will divide. In this way we get x squared plus 1, here remainder is 0. So students, if remainder comes some expression, then we will write, suppose remainder हमारा आता है x plus 1, then we will write x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So students, यहाँ remainder हमारा 0 है, इसीलिए हम x square plus 1 only quotient ही लिखेंगे. And integration of x square is x cube over 3, and integration of 1 is constant and its integration is only x, and here plus c is some constant. Now students, here we have next question. Next question is integral of 1 minus x into root x. Again here you can see here we have two terms in the multiply, but we can't use the product rule. We haven't the product rule. So students, for the same, multiply root x with 1, root x with x. In this way we get root x, and here x into x raised to power 1 by 2. Base same, powers add. We get x raised to power 3 by 2. Now students, integrate this one. In this way we get x raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 over 3 by 2. Similarly student, x raised to power 3 by 2 plus 1, we get 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2, and c is some constant of integration. And students, this is the similar question. Next one, integral of root x into 3x squared plus 2x plus 3 with respect to x. Again we multiply root x with all the terms. In this way we get 3x raised to power 5 by 2, base same, powers add, and plus 2x raised to power 3 by 2 plus 3x raised to power 1 by 2. Now students, do its integration, and by doing integration you have to just simple add 1 in the power. 5 by 2 plus 1 we get 7 by 2, and write down the power in the denominator. And students, again x raised to power 3 by 2 integration is x raised to power 5 by 2 or 5 by 2, and here x raised to power 1 by 2 is x raised to power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2. So students, in this way we have completed this question as well. Now here we have the next question. Integration of 2x minus 3 cos x plus e raised to power x with respect to x. And students, हमें यहाँ इसका इंटीग्रेशन करना है. Here x is variable and derivative of x is x square over 2. You can see here. And integration of cos x. What is the integration of cos x? Integration of cos x is sin x. And integration of exponential remain as it is. And c is some constant of integration. So students, आप देख सकते हैं कितना easy है. x का integration simple ही x square over 2 है, and cos x का integration sin x है, exponential का integration as it is. Now students, here we have the next part. Next part is integral of 2x square minus 3x plus 5 under root x with respect to x. Here integration of x square is x cube over 3, and integration of sin x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x, and integration of root x is x raised to power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2. And here c is some constant of integration. So students, in this way we have calculated this also. Next question is integration of secant x into secant x plus tan x. So students, अब हम इसका integration करेंगे. First multiply secant x with both the terms. In this way we get secant square x plus secant x into tan x, and integration of secant square x is what? Tan x. आप स्टूडेंट्स डेरिवेटिव्स का टॉपिक कर चुके हैं. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan x is secant square x. So integration is the reverse of the derivative. So in this way we get the tan x, and integration of secant x tan x is secant x plus c is some constant. Next, here we have the integration of secant square x divided by cosecant square x. And students, if there comes a secant, cosecant and cot, first convert into sin and cos, then that makes easy to solve. So here secant square x is equals to 1 over cos square x, we will write, and cosecant square x is equals to 1 over sin square x. So by calculating this we get the tan square x. But students, you know that there is no formula of solving tan square x, so we will convert this into identity secant square x minus 1. So integration of secant square x is tan x, and integration of 1 is x, and c is some constant of integration. So students, here we have the next question. Question is integration of 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x. स्टूडेंट्स, आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ क्वेश्चन टूल लगना चाहिए था जब हम डेरिवेटिव करते हैं, बट हियर इज़ नो क्वेश्चन टूल. यू कैन सेपरेट दिस cos square x in the denominator of both. So in this way we get 2 secant square x, and by calculating this we get 3 tan x secant x. Integration of secant square x is tan x, integration of tan x secant x is secant x, and so in this way we get 2 tan x minus 3 secant x plus c. Here c is some constant of integration. So students, hopefully all of you understand the today's questions. So thank you for watching the complete video.